Hi guys, Robert Chernigoj back with you from CESAR-SHOP. Today I would like to present to you the new ammunition made by company Loss Bullets and made by company FLAMBERG. They made together like a deal and the ammo is here. It's match grade, competition grade ammo made from high quality materials. The Loss Bullet are very popular in precise shooting, and it's very popular around the world. They made for several years those bullets. Power factor was measured with 5-inch barrel, my guns, and it's around 130, 131, depends on the weather conditions. So this is the ammo that I shoot. I use for competition. I use it for all the matches that I go. I shot Europeans, US, PCA Nationals, IDPA World Shoot. The power factor there was measured also 131. So it's really competition made ammo. It's packed like any other ammo in 50 round boxes. Altogether comes in 1000 big box. Ammo you can purchase in CESAR-SHOP, you can purchase in distributors around the globe. They will receive it soon. It's not the cheapest one, but it's for sure the price performance ones. So if you are a competition shooter and you need ammo that it's reliable, it's good, it's not strong as other production ammo, this is the one that you need.
Stand by! Stand by! Finish unloading shock left, clear hammer down, holster.
If you like our content, please like video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@CESAR-SHOP.com.